In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides look good and professional. As you prepare to create a captivating presentation, let's dive into some essential steps to ensure your slides are visually attractive and convey your message effectively. First, we're going to start by choosing a template or creating a blank presentation. This decision will set the foundation for your entire slideshow. Google Slides offers a variety of templates, from minimalistic designs to vibrant, colorful options. Choosing the right template can save you time while ensuring a cohesive style. If you opt for a blank presentation, you'll have full creative control, allowing each slide to reflect your unique vision. Next, let's enhance your slides with engaging visuals. Click Insert at the top left corner of your screen and select the image you prefer to use. It's important that the image complements the theme and message of your presentation. Consider the tone you want to convey, whether it's formal, casual, or somewhere in between. Your background image can significantly influence how your audience perceives your presentation, so choose wisely. Once you've selected an image, ensure it fits well within the screen of your presentation. You can achieve this by either selecting the Fit to Slide option or manually adjusting the image's size and position. A well-placed image can grab attention and make your slides more visually appealing, so take your time to get this just right. Now let's focus on adding text to your slides. Click the text box option from the toolbar. This is where you'll input the key messages of your presentation. As you type, consider using a clear and readable font. The choice of font can affect both aesthetics and readability, so aim for a balance that reflects professionalism and style. After inputting your text, adjust the color and size to enhance visual appeal while maintaining readability. An elegantly designed text box with an appropriate color scheme can guide your audience's focus and emphasize key points. A gentle contrast between text and background can make your content pop, while also being easy on the eyes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for a Google Slides presentation that is both good-looking and professional. Remember, the key to a successful presentation is not just in the information you present, but how you present it. A well-designed slide can engage your audience, reinforce your message, and leave a lasting impression. I hope you feel inspired to craft your slides with creativity and professionalism. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing the incredible presentations you'll create using these tips. Keep practicing, and you'll turn into a pro in no time.